So, as part of our practical tour with Mustafa from Cameroon, we have visited this processing center. Fish farming involves a lot. If it is just about the raising of the fish, what happens after raising them? And there's a huge market gap. And this woman and the team are doing very wonderful here, adding value to the fish and then contributing to the market. But personally, I and the team and then other people. Here we visited the center to see how the process is done. And in fact, if you are inspired and then you also want and you give your order, you can smoke some for you. Yes. So this is at Fu in the northern region of Ghana. So we are here with the team behind this wonderful work. They smoke the fish, send it to Kumasi, and the process repeats. So we want to see how it is done here. Personally, I was smoking or I've been smoking, but their process is quite different from ours. So let's see how it goes. Baba, what's your name?
My name is Samuel Chukwame.
Samuel Tukwame.
Yes.
Yes. You are behind our mother, doing very wonderful. First and foremost, how do you get your fish to smoke? Where do you get them?
First of all, we normally go to those who are doing the fish pond. That's
Okay.
where we normally go to buy the fish.
Those of our fish farmers. I'm a fish
Yes.
farmer, yes, and I help others.
Yeah.
So Mustafa, I'm sure you are
Yes.
following along. Yes. So after you get the fish and buy, what happens or what is next?
So after we buy the fish, there's a process we have to do before the smoking.
Okay.
And first of all, before you smoke it, we have to put them on the stick. You have to use the stick
Okay, and put
and
that.
put them
So
to
sorry,
make
can you
it.
wish we had fresh to demonstrate,
Yeah.
but you can see how they
Ah,
have done it.
yeah.
Yes, so the stick is holding it this way.
Yeah.
So quiet, we
That
call
will
it
that
quiet.
will make it quite that will make it look beautiful.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
And then yes. So before then, I hope you clean it.
Yeah, before that you have to wash it with clean water,
Clean water,
and then you add soup, salt
salt, okay,
before you put it on fire.
on fire.
Yeah.
So now, after you have done this and put it on fire, how many days do you take to smoke it dry?
Um. Normally, sometimes a week or more than a week.
A week or more than a
A
week?
week, because if you don't smoke it well,
Well,
by the time it will get to the market,
it will
most of
spoil.
the fish will spoil.
Wow, a week or more than a week. I
Yeah.
could see there are those that are very big. Sorry, like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. If you want to smoke this one, very big, for all the water to drain, definitely it's going to take longer time.
Yeah.
But so after it is dried, how long can it stay without spoiling?
It can stay more than 5 years or 10 years,
Yeah, and it won't spoil.
and it will
There
spoil.
won't be any maggots
No.
forming. That's interesting. That's interesting. So, apart from the catfish that you smoke,
Yeah.
do you also add another value to different type of fish?
Yeah. We have a lot of fish that we normally smoke.
Okay,
There are a lot of fish that we smoke. We have the oil fish, the mud fish, and at times we smoke the cat, the cow meat.
cow meat. Okay,
Yes, and then goat meat too.
and all these ones you smoke them to as dry,
Yes,
and what do you sell all of them?
we normally send them to Kumasi to sell.
Kumasi.
Yes,
So that means that chunk of your market or almost all your market is coming from Kumasi.
yes.
So if I'm a fish farmer or if I'm interested in fish, can I come here and buy? Or you don't sell to people?
Normally, you know, we normally don't sell it to people like that.
Okay,
Mm.
okay, okay,
If only you want to buy them in a bulk,
okay,
that one then we can sell it for you.
okay, okay. So you use firewood.
Yes.
I understand, or I know you will burn a lot of firewood.
Yeah.
So do you smoke overnight, or maybe when it is the night you off the fire, then
No, we
tomorrow in
smoke
the morning
overnight.
it will just fire will be there and you'll be
Yes.
turning it.
Yes.
Hey, Mustafa, do you have anything to say?
It's okay.
Yeah, I
I
come from
want to
Cameroon.
see the degree for firewood.
You want to see?
The degree, I want to ask
Yeah, okay. Okay,
if
so you
they
go ahead.
are going to make the fire first before put the fish, or they put the fish before make the fire.
Uh, Mostly it depends how you want it. First of all,
Mm-hmm.
most of the times
Mm-hmm.
we have to set the fire before you put the fish on.
Okay, okay.
But sometimes when you put the fire first, when you are
Mm-hmm.
coming to put it, you know that the fire will be disturbing you. So you have to put the fish on before you set the fire.
Okay, okay, okay. And I should make much wood or small wood?
Pardon?
Much
How
that
you say
one.
the
Wood,
wood, the firewood?
wood, the
Yeah.
firewood.
You put many.
I should put
Many,
many.
no, it's not that many. You can see how we put the firewood.
Okay, okay, okay,
Mhm.
okay,
So
okay. And
can
if the fire is too hot,
It,
the fish
yeah,
cannot spoil.
it will burn the fish.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Then I have to
To
know the degree
the
for
degree of
the fire.
the fire.
Okay, 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 okay.
Most of the time, normally when you have to put the this thing,
Mm-hmm.
set the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time you pick maybe two of the big firewood and then
Okay,
you add
okay,
at
okay.
least four or
The
three of
small
the
one.
small
Okay,
ones
okay,
for it to make it
okay.
very nice.
so is it possible we can lift it and see
And
the
how
inside?
Yeah,
many?
you can lift it.
Sorry.
Oh, don't worry, you go ahead. So come on, let's see how the under is. Show it to us. Okay, okay. So that means that you will not push the firewood to come inside
No,
that. Okay,
it's okay if you push it, the
okay,
fish will burn.
okay. So I also see that you have it in layers. There's
Yeah,
this layer, and you have here on top.
yeah.
So those top there, how did they get fire?
The reason is that
Okay,
when you put them on layer like that,
okay. So people,
so you know that this one it will get
yeah,
more of the fire
fire.
before the other one.
Okay,
So when you are coming to turn them, the one at the first will now come
okay,
on top
on
of
top.
the other, and
Then
those at the
rotate,
top will go down.
rotate it. That's
Okay,
interesting.
okay.
That's interesting.
Then I want to ask, how long are you going to turn it? By
How
day,
long?
a day, or until the fish
No,
ready?
just a day.
A day you
A day
can turn
you
it.
can turn it.
Okay. After that, a day again you can turn it.
No, when you just turn it a day, that's all.
That's all.
That's all.
It's
You leave it
mean
like that, and then you'll be putting the fire
it's mean
every day.
2 day is
It's
okay.
okay for the turning.
Okay, 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 okay. Let me see. Let me see.
So apart from this one, uh, let's go outside. I saw one fish drying under the sun.
The saltfish.
The swordfish. And then
Okay.
let's go and see how that one too is done.
Okay.
And then,
And
but but
for the gold meat or cow meat, how many they going to take?
how many days? Repeat your
To,
question.
Uh,
to like how many
the
will it
gold
take
meat
to
or
smoke, or
cow meat?
how many days will it
Yes,
take
to take.
for the turning, or
Yes, for the not for the
Okay,
ten,
let's go inside.
to smoke?
to
That
smoke,
one is here.
to
Let's go
That
cook.
inside
one
there.
it can also just like the
Kwame,
fish.
let's get inside
Okay,
here and
okay.
see.
It just
I
the
think
same
that's
as
right.
the fish.
So, hey, very interesting. Uh, this cow meat,
Yeah.
I can see. So that one, you smoke it dry.
Yes. This one is just today that they turn it.
They
It
turn
was
it.
yesterday that we started the smoking. So just this morning that they
They
turn it.
send. So he was asking how many days will that this one also take to get dry?
It will take like 1 to 2 weeks before it will dry.
1 to 2 weeks.
One to two weeks.
Very dry.
Yes. Yes.
And that one too, it can stand for long.
Yeah, it can stand for more than 5 years.
Then you take it to Kumasi too.
Yes.
Interesting. 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 So let's check the salt. Listen,
The saltfish.
the salt fish and see how you process that.
Okay.
So this is the salt
The
fish.
saltfish.
I can see this is tilapia, right?
Yeah, this tilapia.
That's tilapia. So now, how do you process that one?
This one too. First of all, before you start the process, you have to scale them.
Okay, remove the
You
skin.
remove the
Yes,
scales.
yes.
So after you remove the scale, you have to wash them like 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
After washing, then you put the salt. You put the salt in this thing
Inside the
inside the stomach.
just the okay. I think
Only inside the stomach.
Yeah, only
Uh,
inside the stomach. After then, you look for a container, a basin or a container. Then you put them on in the container. Then you add maybe some people they prefer to put water, others too they won't put water. So we don't put water in them.
okay.
You only put them on the in the container, and then you use some rag,
Okay.
a clean one.
Okay.
Then use it to cover them. Then you look for stones.
Okay.
Then you put the stone on them,
Okay.
and then you leave it for. Some people can leave it for 3 days. Others will leave it for 4 days before they will remove it and dry.
And dry.
And the reason for putting the salt in them is to keep them dehydrated and also keep them long.
Okay.
So this one, when it's dry, it can live like more than 10 or it can live more than 10 years
So
without spoiling.
so now that you spell it this way,
Yeah, you have to
how
dry them.
many days is it going to take to get dry?
If the sun is
Hot.
hot, today even one day is okay.
Okay.
one day is okay.
If the sun
Are
is
you
there,
going to turn it like smoked fish, or you
no,
cannot
this
turn
one
it?
cry.
You leave it
No, you
like
just leave it like that. It will dry on it too.
I can see that you kept it on this grass.
Yeah.
Must it always be on grass, or you can put it on different thing?
This is the easy thing to make it dry
Okay.
early.
Okay.
But you can also use a rubber.
Okay.
Anything that can maybe you can
Put it
spread
up.
on hand.
Okay. Okay.
even the roof.
Yeah,
No.
you can
Okay.
also put it on top of even this thing. The
Okay.
one that we use to smoke the
The
fish.
smoke. Yes.
You can
Yes.
put it on it and dry it.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. So and that one to do you send that one to Kumasi?
Yes, we
To
send that one to
Kumasi.
Kumasi.
Okay.
We send the saltfish, the
The dry
smoked one and the dry one.
and the dry meat.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. So do you have a name for your organization, or just call it with our mom's name? Or how do you
Yeah, just we don't have any organization. It's just my mom's name that they normally. Everybody know her. The name that they used to call her is Amayo.
Amir
Amayo.
Amrio
Amayo.
Amayo?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes. So we appreciate your time. And this our brother came from Cameroon
Yeah.
to learn fish farming. So we are going through trainings, and then we came here to see how what you are doing. So we appreciate your time, and then going forward, already we are doing business together.
Yeah.
So this is going to increase the relationship and the partnership.
Yeah.
Yeah, even just yesterday, Mr. Richard called and I was trying to get some fish for him.
Yeah.
So today he's at Sablo right
Yeah.
buying fish. So yes, you people are adding market value, and that's what we want. So when we, the fish farmers, raise the fish, at least you are there for us to provide, and that is very interesting. I believe if we are having many of you within the region, we will not have market problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much for what you are doing.
We also
We really
thank you.
appreciate
We
it.
also thank you for coming.
Yes, we
We also,
appreciate it.
we also appreciate
Okay, thank you.
and we thank you for coming too.
No,